Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the meal kit world: Blue Apron versus Green Chef. With 2025 bringing even more innovations, it's the perfect time to compare these two giants and figure out who truly offers better service. Let's jump right in. First off, both Blue Apron and Green Chef promise fresh, convenient meals, but they cater to slightly different crowds. Blue Apron focuses on variety and accessibility, offering a wide range of recipes from comfort foods to international cuisine. In 2025, they've upped their game with AI-powered recipe recommendations that personalize your weekly box based on your dietary preferences. On the other hand, Green Chef emphasizes organic and sustainable ingredients, making it a go-to for health-conscious folks. Their 2025 updates include eco-friendly packaging that's fully compostable, which is a big win for the environment. When it comes to meal quality, Blue Apron delivers consistent, flavorful dishes with straightforward instructions, perfect for beginners. Green Chef edges out with higher quality, organic produce that tastes fresher and feels more premium. But let's talk pricing. Blue Apron is generally more affordable, starting at around $7.99 per serving, while Green Chef hovers around $11.99, reflecting their organic focus. If you're watching your budget, Blue Apron might take the lead. Ease of use is another key factor. Both services have user-friendly apps, but Green Chef's delivery is more reliable with fewer delays, based on recent user reviews. Customer service? Blue Apron offers 24/7 chat support, while Green Chef provides personalized nutrition advice, which could be a game-changer for dietary needs. So, who wins? It depends on your priorities. If you want variety and value, go with Blue Apron. For organic, eco-friendly options, Green Chef is the clear choice. Overall, in 2025, Green Chef offers better service for health and sustainability enthusiasts. What do you think? Have you tried either? Drop your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.